औज़ुबिल्लाहि बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मैं मौजूद हूँ पोल नंबर 327 पर। तो वहाँ पर माशाल्लाह से हमारे भाई मौजूद हैं यहाँ पर हमीद भाई जो मडगास्कर से आए हैं इंशाअल्लाह ताला। मैं उनसे पूछता हूँ कि अरबईन के हवाले से उनकी क्या तासुरात हैं। अस्सलामु अलैकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम व रहमतुल्लाह।
हमीद, you welcome in Arbeen, mashallah. You come here. So what about you say about Arbeen? What the message of Arbeen?
Arbeen is magic. I can't explain you because I think every man that you see and every woman that you see, they are the guests of Imam Hussein.
Bishak.
And I can't explain it. My heart, you see everything during the Arbeen, they walk to the Zari of Imam Hussein without any expense.
Bishak.
The Iraqi people give everything. Water, food,
Yeah.
medical, everything. So I can't explain.
Mashallah, Karbala give us united. We are to come here together. No nation, all nation are like Husseini. Mashallah, say you come from Mudqaster, we are from Pakistan. Some people might come India. All the world, people coming from all the world. Mashallah. I have question because my feeling also like this same with you. I have no question. Alhamdulillah, you come here. We also come here. Alhamdulillah. Inshallah, we will be pray for all the countries. Inshallah, the corona is finished. Inshallah, now inshallah there will be all people coming from all the country. Inshallah, inshallah. I'm very thankful to you. You give me some message. Your feelings is so. I don't explain. Inshallah.
Don't forget us in your dua.
Inshallah, you also.
And don't forget Pakistan.
Inshallah. Inshallah, you many dua for inshallah. Will now flood is coming in Pakistan, so inshallah you also many pray inshallah for us.
Khair inshallah.
Inshallah, iltamas dua. Allah Hafiz inshallah.
Allah.